Hello and welcome to Code with Rix. Join me for another exciting IT tutorial. Let's get started. But first, let's know what is a sensor and how it works. A sensor is a device that detects changes in the environment and converts them into electrical signals that can be processed by a microcontroller like Arduino. Sensors are used in various applications, including automation, security systems, weather monitoring, and especially in robotics. Now, here are the basic types of sensors that are commonly used in Arduino. Now, let's test them one by one to know how these works. You can join with me to do this exciting activity in Arduino. Let's start with sound sensor. And we are done in part 1 using a sound sensor. Now let's continue and test the next sensor. Thank you for watching. Did you enjoy this video? Support my channel, click the bell button, like and subscribe for more videos.